In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to book a flight on Qatar Airways online. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the easiest way to do so is to firstly go into Google and then just search for Qatar Airways in here as you can see. And now you should be taken to this page right here. Then scroll down and choose this result right here as you can see. It's going to just load and perfectly we should now be taken to this page right here. So what we're going to do now as you can see is to actually search in here from and to as you can see. So for example, if we are flying from, let's say we are flying from Stockholm as an example, and you can also choose the correct airport in here, make sure that everything is correct, and then you want to be able to fly to Hong Kong as an example. And then in here it actually let us choose the dates as well as you can see. So we might actually just choose for example, let's take 25th and we're going to return on the 30th of May, as you can see, just as an example. And in here, passengers, as you can see, I'm currently just on one right now, but if you're traveling with somebody else or with children, as you can see, you're able to check this ones as well. And also the class in here, either you want to be able to have economy class or premium, as you can see, premium business class or first class. And now when you're done, you can just click on confirm. And then we're going to search for flights. And by the way, bear in mind, it's not always that you're going to be able to find a flight, especially when you're searching from, as I do, from like a smaller airplane, or sorry, a smaller airport, obviously. But I was actually still able to find a flight, which is kind of surprising. But as you can see, I'm actually able to find for about six or almost 7,000 Swedish crowns. I'm able to find like a airplane here that goes from Stockholm to Hong Kong. As you can see, you can also see exactly that it's going to be one stop for this one as an example, and the total flight time here as well. You can also click where it says flight details in here, and then you will be able to see the entire flight details, how it's going to go, where you're going to land basically, and where you have to switch and stuff like that. So this is also a good thing that you can actually check. So for example, let's say that I would like to book this one right here. And I now get like two alternatives in here. As you can see, unlimited flexibility. It's going to be a couple of more perks that you can actually have with this one right here, or you can just take this one right here, the standard price. So I'm going to click select fare for this one right here. As you can see, it says that it's now selected for me, which is perfect. And now what we are going to do, we're going to actually, let's see, okay, it's actually going to also select our return flight, of course. So as you can see, we need to now select our return flight, which is a couple of alternatives in here, as you can see, but it does show us the most like cheapest one in here, as you can see. So I'm going to click on the cheapest one in here. Then I'm going to click right here, as you can see. I'm going to click on confirm. It's going to load here, and perfectly, as you can see, I'm now able to actually review the entire trip right here as well as you can see. And we can actually click where it says continue to contact details. Oh, okay, sorry. We need to click on edit right here. And then we're going to now fill out what we want to be able to be called. For me, it's Mr. as you can see. And then I'm going to have my gender set as male here. So I'm just going to take test this. And we need to fill out the date of birth. I'm going to just fill out a random one just to demonstrate. And you need to also have a nationality in here, as you can see. So make sure that everything here is correct. I just filled this one out very fast just for this tutorial, obviously. Then I'm going to click on save and continue, as you can see, and then continue to contact details right here. It's going to load, and perfectly, you will need to now fill out your email address, your country right here, and also your mobile number, as you can see. So this is the country code basically, and then fill out your correct phone number in here, as you can see. And make sure that everything here is correct, that you will actually get a confirmation to your email address and also your mobile number. Then you can click right here where it says review and pay. And after that, you will now be able to actually pay for your trip. You can also click where it says choose seats and add-ons if you want to, of course. It's not like mandatory, of course. It's if you want to be able to have extra perks on your trip, you can also click here and choose some add-ons. Or if you're all done, click on review and pay, and then you will be able to pay for the trip, and you can see the grand total in here as well, as you can see. And that is basically exactly how to book a flight on Qatar Airways online.